Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. This video will discuss how to treat throat disease. Before that, let us discuss what causes the disease.
This disease is caused by oil food, cold drinks, air pollution, virus and bacteria, which make and throat feel sore and hoarse that has been infected. Tool and ingredient: 1 smearing spoonful, 1 glass, 1 tomato, 1 lime fruit, 1 segment of ginger, 1 spoonful of sugar, and 1 glass of water. First, slice the tomatoes in 4 parts and 2 parts lime so it's easy to squeeze. Second, put the tomatoes and lime juice into a glass and add a spoonful of sugar. Third, stir well so that the tomatoes dissolve white sugar. Then add the water and add ginger until the water boils. After that, strain and enter the ginger water into the glass. Stir until smooth. Finally, the traditional ginger water is ready to drink.
Okay guys, that's all my videos this time. Thank you for watching and see you.